teach Hayden how to make sourdough. It's going to be 100 grams starter, 100 grams of water, and 100 grams of flour.
Okay.
Look at that starter. It's so light.
It's like a game.
It is. And I'm going to make you do the whole thing. You're going to bake your own loaf of sourdough.
Okay, yay.
And then you could go home and make papa bread.
Mm-hmm.
Scale to shut it off. Now you know how to use a cooking scale.
Yeah.
And it only takes 4 hours.
Really? That's not long. I thought it'd take like days. Or is that to make the starter?
That's to make it. So you're going to line it up all the way around. Okay, we'll see you in 4 hours. It's even already started falling. It's only been, what, 4 hours?
Oh, it's going down?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
No.
Oh.
So we're doubling the recipe. We're going to make 2 loaves.
So 750 grams?
Yeah, go girl. First stir this.
Oh, okay. They don't like feel it?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. So next you're gonna make it hard. So this is gonna be the 3rd round of stretch and folds, but this is gonna be, because we kind of ran behind, you gotta wet your hands so that they're like wet.
Like that?
Yep, and fold it, just like that. Don't go too high. And fold it.
You guys are
Yep,
loafers.
that's it.
It looks like a chef's hat.
Punch it. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. That's so cool.
I did it. Mm-hmm.
Go like this with your finger.
Mm.
Even cut that baby in half. Okay. Make it into like a rectangle.
Mm.
Wants Parmesan cheese. Fold it. You're gonna fold in like this. Fold it all the way over to make it. Now you gotta season this. Fold it this way. Like that. Roll it. And you're gonna like tuck in as you're rolling. You're gonna push, and then you're gonna pull it towards you. You have to try to pull it together. That is perfect. So pretty. You're making a wheat stock.
Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty. You
it.
did it.
That's crazy. Yay.
Let's cut our sourdough. Let's do squish test.
Oh god.